Mastery practice question 7. Sharul has a toy car collection which he collects every month. Number of toy cars increases every month according to a geometric progression. Total number of toy cars in the first 4 months S4 is 10 times the total number of toy car in the first 2 months. Actually here they did not include 2 months. If you calculate first month, then you won't get the answer. So there's a typo lah. Okay. So first 2 months means S2. Right. A. If R represents the common ratio, show that this is this. Okay. So here to find Sn for a geometric progression, the formula would be A Rn minus 1 over R minus 1 equals to 10 Arn minus 1 over R minus 1. Okay, so here, since this is the fourth term, our n would be 4. Since this is the second, this will be 2. Now we need a cross multiply. So we can cross out this R minus 1 since we have it on both sides. We can cross out the A. So we'll get R4 minus 1 is 10 times R square minus 1. So we expand this. 10R square minus 10. Minus 1 plus 10 is 0. Sorry. R4 minus 10R square plus 9 equals 0. Done. So we can say shown. So you need to use the first 2 months in order to get this. Earlier I tried S1 according to the question, but I couldn't get. Then only I realized they missed out this part. Okay. Next we need to find the positive values of R. So basically we need to factorize this. So we don't learn how to factorize R power 4. What we can do is we can let R square equals to, let's say, X. Okay, or any other alphabet, let's say K lah. So R to the power 4 would be K square. 10K plus 9 equals to 0. So you can see, if we make R square is equal to K, we get a nice quadratic equation. So we don't have power 4, power 2 lah. Instead we reduce it to square 1 and a number. So here we can factorize. So this will be K, 9 and 1, negative, negative. Okay, you can just use your calculator to factorize. So K will be 9 and K will be 1. So then we need to sub back the R square since K is R square. So R square is 9 and R square is 1. So R will be the square root of 9. Don't forget the plus minus. So R can be positive 3 or negative 3. But since here they want us to find the positive values of R, we just take 3 and 1. Done. But if our R is 1, that means the collection is not increasing. Because R1 means you're just multiplying 1, multiplying 1, multiplying 1. That means the collection is not increasing. So R cannot be 1. Therefore, we reject this. So the only answer would be 3. Okay, done. Now let's try B. Calculate the expenses paid by Sharul in the 6 months if he started to buy 2 toy cars and the average of a toy car is 7 ringgit 50 cents. Okay, so he starts by buying 2 toy cars. So A is 2. And then the toy cars increases by 3 every month. R is 3. Right. So after 6 months, we need to find how many cars he has. So we find S6. So A Rn minus 1 over R minus 1. A is 2 cars, R is 3, N is 6. So this will give us the number of cars he has. 2 times 3 power 6 minus 1 divided by 2. So he has 728 cars in the first 6 months. So each car is 7 ringgit 50 cents means, so we can say price will be 7 ringgit 50 cents times 728 cars. 750. So he would have spent 5,460. This is the number of cars he would have. This much he would have spent after 6 months. So he has total of these many cars. That's a lot of cars. That's it.